Hey, we're gonna show you how to make the perfect Snapchat story today. Are you excited? First step, you're gonna create a My Story. On your first one, you wanna do an intro. Something like this. Hey, this is Angel. I'm so excited to be with you today. Check out everything throughout the day to see how to make the perfect Snapchat story.
Now that we've got that, we're gonna add a little bit of spice. First, maybe some emojis, some text, let's center that. Nice. Put that there. Maybe a filter. Oh, no, too pale. Oh, that's not bad. Let's see. Ooh, I'm in Orlando. Let's do that too. All right, here we go. Second Snap story. You're gonna wanna find a new background, a strong background with really good lighting. And then go ahead and recruit someone who's really excited to share your message.
That's me! Did you know that 60% of all smartphone users are on Snapchat? I didn't either. That's why you need to learn how to make the perfect Snapchat story.
So for your third story, you wanna mix it up a bit. Get a lot of people who are really excited. Make them dance, do the wave. You can even nauseate your audience, whatever it takes. Let me show you. Action! How to
Create
the perfect
Snapchat story.
For your fourth snap, pick a new background, something that pops. Then share a little bit more detail about why you're creating a story. Let me show you. Hey guys, we've created a Snapchat training on how to create the perfect Snapchat. Visit crew.org/digital ministry to learn all about it. Then the rest of the day is up to you.